Hello, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Kendra. Welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Either one, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Today we're going to be doing this peachsicle creamsicle look with super dewy skin, taking swimming on the first date because my makeup will not move. She's here to stay. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I got to this look, then keep on watching. So to start off today, I'm going to be taking my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. It is supposed to be like 31 degrees today. And of course today's the day where I'm like, I want to do like a peach cut crease. You know, today would be the day that I would decide to do that. So now that that's all nice and tacky, I think for foundation today, I just want to do a couple of skin tints. So I'm going to take the Glowish from Huda Beauty, and this is the Easy Drop from Fenty. This is too dark for me, so I mix a little bit of this in it, you know, just to make it Casper friendly. So instead of taking concealer today, I'm just going to take a little bit more of the Easy Drops and just brighten up my under eye a little bit more. I don't know what that sound was. And just make sure my neck is blended. That's pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, for bronzer, I think, do I want to take this one or do I want to take that one? Yeah, I'll take this one. I'm going to take the Huda Beauty in Fair and take it on my trusty angle brush. And then I'm just going to take the beauty blender that I was using for my foundation and just kind of go over the edges. Just make sure everything is perfectly blended in. No harsh lines. Delicious. Oh, my hair today. No, we're not going to talk about it. We're not going to talk about burnout. We're not going to do it. Okay, now for blush. Do I want to do a cream blush? You know what, let's do it. Let's just send it. So I'm going to take the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Joy. And lately with this blush in particular, I've been putting it on the back of my hand first, dabbing my brush into it and kind of like blending the product a little bit on the brush and then putting it on because I have a lot more control over it. I know she looks crazy now, but stick with me. And again, taking that beauty blender and just going over it. Usually when I go over things, I try to make sure I go over under the eye a bit more because I want to make sure that's super diffused and just very well blended. Okay, and then for powder today, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Butter. And I'm going to take it on this fluffy beauty blender. I forget the company name, but they went super viral a few years ago. And I don't really like using it for my foundation, but for powder, it works really well. That looks pretty. Okay, and then for highlighter today, I think I want to go in with, why are you sticking together? I'm gonna go in with the Scott Barnes highlighter palette. She is well loved. She is used and abused. And then I'm gonna take the Scott Barnes highlighter brush. This is his 66 brush. And I'm just gonna mix a few of them together. That is delicious. All right. Now I am gonna set my face a little bit. I'm gonna take, this is the Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face. And I'm just gonna set a little bit all over the face. And that's just gonna help it be a little bit more durable for today with it being so hot. I love doing face make. Oh, I love doing base. It's so good, so good. Okay, for eyes today, I wanna play with, this is the Norvina Volume 6 palette. I haven't done a whole lot with this palette, but these like peach colors are speaking to me today. So I want to do a bit of a look with those, and yeah, just see where we end up. I don't really have a plan in mind. I probably should, but I don't. So I'm going to start with D1, which is this very pretty peach. And I'm just going to start packing on pigment and see where we end up. It's been a while since I've done like a super colorful cut crease. It's been a long while actually. All right, and then I'm going to pick up a different brush and we're gonna go into D2, which is a bit more on the orange side. I'm just gonna put that right on the outer bit. Ooh, that's pretty. She's bright. So I am gonna attempt, it's been a while since I've done this, do a little bit of a cut crease. I'm gonna go in with the P. Louise base because I can't find my Anastasia one. So I'm gonna take a bit of the P. Louise base, and this is in the shade Rumor 01, which I believe is one of their lightest ones. Besides white. Obviously that one is lighter than this one. And I'm just gonna take that on a Morphe M425. All right, and then I am just going to set that with a little bit of A1, which is a white eyeshadow from the palette. I'll set that a little bit, just so it doesn't crease on me. Then I'm gonna take a little bit more of D1, which is that lighter peach shade, and blend out the edges. I kinda love it. Yeah, I like it, I like it. Think she looks cute. Yes, yes, I like it. Now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna take a D2, some more orange, peach shade, and just pop it on the lower lash line and buff it out a bit. Now, question is, should I do liner? I feel like I should. At least it's like, I like the color of it. It's very dark. It's very black. It's very pretty. But it is hella stressful. Oh, that was my good eye too. Oh. Which means this eye is gonna give me time and a half. That's what that means. Okay, everyone hold your breath. Hold your breath, it's gonna be a thing. We're going to attempt to make them look somewhat related. They're not gonna be twins by any means. She's thicker. She's much thicker. So we're gonna try to get this one to look thicker. So we want them both double cheeked up on a Tuesday. Okay. We're gonna leave it. So I'm gonna have to do some things to them. Okay, we're gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it at that. We're just gonna, you know what? Hands off. Don't do anything more, because if we do, it's just gonna be a bigger mess. I mean, here's the thing. I want lashes that do like this, but also lashes that aren't like super thick. For lashes, I'm going to take, these are the Baddie B Light in the style Baby Girl, which, if you've been here for a while, you know that I love Baddie B lashes. They are just a good time. They're a great time, really. All right, now I always trim off. It doesn't matter if the lash itself does fit my eye. I always trim off a bit on the end, because I like for my lashes to kind of give my eye a more lifted look. Are these the right choice though? We need to trim off a little more. Just a little bit. Just a little bit more. Okay, so there's one. Alright, I am gonna go do the other side and I will be right back. I like it. I like it a lot. It's very like peachsicle, creamsicle type vibes. I'm into it. Okay, for lips today, I think I'm gonna take Terracotta. This is the Huda Beauty Lip Contour 2.0 in Terracotta. Forgot how much I like this lip liner. It's a good color. I know what I'm gonna be wearing a lot this summer. Okay, and then for color on it, did I leave it out? I did. Because, you know, I just rediscovered creme brulee. Put a little bit of that on. And then for a gloss today, I think I'm gonna go with, this is Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Sweet Mouth. This is the finished look. I think it's super cute. I like it. All right. So this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this look. I hope you recreate it. I hope you have some fun summer looks planned. I do not, but I hope you do. But yeah, make sure you guys check out my Instagram, my TikTok. Don't do much on either, but we're working on it. We are working on it. Yes, yes we are. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on the next video.